everyone! For today's video, let's draw and color Carol Cow, a character from Peppa Pig. Let's begin by drawing the shape of Carol Cow's head. Her ears are next. Her eyes and nose. Let's draw her lip. Next, some spots on her face. Now, the shape of her body. She opened her eyes. Hi, Carol. Let's draw her arms and hands. Her cute tail. Legs and shoes, too. We're ready. Let's add color to Carol together. Carol Cow is dressed in a light blue dress, has pink shoes, a light pink nose, and white fur with 3 white spots on each side of her face and 1 in her ear. Wagging her tail and happy today. Are you enjoying yourself? That is excellent. She's waving her hands. Look! And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Until next time.